Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic accessory for any car audio enthusiast, the Bass Rocker's 10-inch heavy-duty speaker grille cover. We found this product online, and you can check the link in the description below for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Bass Rocker's 10-inch metal speaker grille cover? This protective grille guard is specifically designed for 10-inch subwoofers and speakers, offering a robust solution for safeguarding your audio gear. Whether you're customizing your car's sound system or enhancing an existing setup, this grille is an essential addition to protect your investment. Let's take a closer look at some of its standout features. First and foremost, the heavy-duty metal mesh construction ensures that your speaker cone is shielded from kicks, tools, cargo, and any accidental impacts. This makes it ideal for exposed installations and custom speaker boxes where protection is paramount. The Bass Rocker's grille is designed with a universal 10-inch fit in mind. It's crucial to verify measurements before installation. The outer diameter is approximately 10.5 inches, with an inner opening of about 9.75 inches. The diagonal spacing for the mount holes is roughly 6.8 inches, which accommodates a standard 4-hole screw or bolt mount. So, always double-check your baffle and speaker measurements to ensure a proper fit. One of the unique aspects of this grille cover is its open hex mesh design. This feature allows for excellent sound-friendly airflow, enabling your audio to deliver high output without compromising protection. The honeycomb pattern not only looks sleek but also maximizes sound quality, making it perfect for high-performance car audio builds. In terms of aesthetics, the all-metal build with a matte black finish provides a professional and polished look that seamlessly integrates with most car audio systems, DIY enclosures, and PA-style builds. It's a versatile accessory that enhances the visual appeal of your sound setup while adding that layer of security. Now, who is this product suitable for? If you're someone who loves to customize their car audio experience, whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional installer, or just a casual listener looking to enhance your system, this speaker grille cover is a great investment. It's particularly beneficial for those who plan to install their speakers in environments where they might be exposed to potential damage. Practical use cases for the Bass Rocker's grille include installation in subwoofer boxes, door panels, speaker pods, and custom baffles. Its easy screw or bolt installation means that